The groove that we're going to learn today has got 2 hits in it. So the main thing you've got to do is first of all just get used to doing 2 hits like this. Let's start looking at that. So what we're going to be playing is the 8th note groove again. So this guy here. However, number 1 is still hi-hat with bass drum, but now the and, instead of being the hi-hat on its own, is also another hi-hat with a bass drum. So we do the first stroke twice. So we get 1 and, then the 2 as normal is our snare, and then hi-hat on its own. So real slowly we're going to get 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. And this one is another one where the first half of the bar and the second half of the bar are exactly the same. So when we do the second half, we're going to play the same parts. We're going to say 3 and 4 and. Take a few moments now to master that, lots and lots of reps, and as with before, once we learn something over here, guess what? We can try it over on the ride cymbal. Or even on the crash. Now this leads us nicely onto what is one of the most popular beats in millions of songs, which is what I just call the rock beat, because it's in so many rock songs, which is where we're going to do 1 bass drum, which was the beat you learnt previously, and then the 2 bass drums, which is the one you just learned. It just goes like this. So our bass drums on 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you can think of it as just 1 bass drum, the hi-hat, the snare, the hi-hat, and then the 2. Now some songs are going to be played faster, so I'm going to demonstrate a little bit quicker for you. So the rock beat, go practice it. Don't think about your bass drum to start with. Just get it so that you can play the beat. Once you're comfortably playing it, then start to really look at that foot and figure out which one's for you. Is it burying the beater? Is it rebound the beater? Sometimes we may even do a rebound then a bury. Right, so there's no real particular rules on this, but longer term, the most efficient way is not going to be burying, because burying takes a little bit more time. It's going to be to rebound it. However, that's much more difficult. So go practice it, 8th note groove, throw in a 16th note fill like I did, maybe throw in one of the stick control fills. Go make some stuff up.